What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video, Make Money with HRC, your host, PG. Thank y'all for rocking with me today. Now, before I go ahead and jump into the video, please go ahead, hit the subscribe button, comment, like, share the video with a friend of a friend. As you know, I'm always go ahead and getting you all with tips for work from home. And I'm pretty sure I'm probably going to bring up some online jobs that you probably didn't know about. So let's go ahead, jump into it, and get the party started. All right. Also, please do remember, if you ever have any kind of comments, feedback, or anything, drop it in a comment. We'll love to hear it. And let's go ahead and jump into the video. So the first job that I have is data entry. Data entry and coding. These are jobs that you basically, some people have either the experience from it or they went to a trade school, got the background knowledge for them to be able to do this type of job. These are jobs that you're actually able to go ahead and, again, Craigslist always has, I noticed that they always have a wide selection for like data entry on there. But you could also go ahead and sell your work or your time on Upwork or Fiverr. So definitely check that out and, see if that's something that you would be interested in. Second, Amazon. So I'm not sure if everyone knows about Amazon and the fact that Amazon has a website called Mechanical Turk, I think it is. Now, basically what Mechanical Turk does, it's literally you log into the website. When you log into the website, you go through the verification process. They send you an email saying, hey, you're verified, log back in, verify the information. And I think you have to add your bank account and a few other things on there. But basically what they do is they then go ahead and they pay you to complete small tasks. Now the task is going to have a dollar amount or a dollar amount listed on there. And I think it also tells you how long the task takes to be completed. Now, based on how many tasks you've done, I think from there you level up, because I remember seeing something like it's locked or something to that effect. But over a period of time, and I guess based on how many tasks you complete and how well it's completed, you actually go ahead and get to level up. Some examples of these tasks are, they'll probably give you 2 products and they'll probably ask you, well, are these products the same? So you'd say yes or no, and you give them that feedback. They'll also give you another product and they'll ask you, well, where does this product belong, in the baby section or in a grown-up section? You select the section, submit your answer. They might give you articles for you to read, for you to figure out the tone or the flexion of the article and give your feedback on that. They might also ask you to translate documents, so from English to Spanish, Spanish to French, or vice versa. They might also ask you, if certain words are spelled correctly. They might ask you to view a certain website to basically have you tell them if you feel as if this website is appropriate for the audience that is viewing the website. So that is Amazon Mechanical Turk. Definitely check it out. It's actually under the jobs page on Amazon, or you could just type in Amazon Mechanical Turk in your search bar and it would actually come up. And from there, you just go ahead and apply. Okay. All right. Next, we have focus groups. Everything is pretty much done online now, if you necessarily want to say so, more or less. So, back in the days, more than likely, focus groups are probably done as a group as a whole. Now, most of the websites have veered to actually taking focus groups online. So there is a lot of websites, kind of like Pro Opinion, where you're actually able to go ahead, you can participate in different online activities, and you could either get a gift card, you could get through a gift card, or you could get paid through PayPal, or you could also get a check. It's just based on how you would like to receive your funds. But these groups are able to pay you based on how you complete your survey. Next, there is social media managers. There's people forever and a day looking to manage your social media. This is something that you're also able again to post on Fiverr and Upwork, and just let them know, hey, I manage social media. I could run your ads. I could keep up with your fan pages. But these are things that I'm able to do for you 24/7. I'm going to run your page. I'm going to help you get followers. I'm going to get you more engagement. I'm going to get you to go viral. So people like to hear these things, and people that are looking to grow their brand, grow their social media, build brand awareness, they would want someone to basically be able to do the small things that they're not able to do all the time. So you definitely want to go ahead and also check that out. Okay. Next, I have online travel agent. Back in the days, you used to see a lot of places, which some of them still exist. You'd see like travel agent or travel with us, a lot of things travel wise. They used to be, retail storefronts. A lot of these jobs have now also transferred online. So you could actually go ahead and figure out, how can you get a job with Expedia, Priceline. And once someone actually buys a vacation package through you, you could actually make commission from that package. So depending on the company that you're working with, anywhere from 20 to 50%, or they might have other incentives that they offer at different times to help drive revenue and drive sales. But if you're into traveling, definitely check that out. I highly suggest it. I have a friend that, he's like every month he makes about $2,000-$3,000, and that's just him selling vacations. So people are contacting him to set them up with a vacation, and all he's doing is clicking. And he probably does have a little bit more pull than the website, and compared to like calling over the phone, because they want to acquire your business. So here it is, he's making $2,000-$3,000 every month. And the best part about that, honestly, is he actually has, I think, 4 other things that he does on the side, because it's not like he's required to be in one set location when he's doing his job. So definitely look into that, see if that is something that's going to work for you with everything that you might have that's taken place. Now, next, I want to go ahead and mention, search engine fix. And when I say search engine fix, a lot of people might not know about this, but Google actually pays you, the person, they will pay you to fix their search engine. And when I say that is, let's say you are on a page from Google. So like sites like Google, Yahoo, Bing, and you're searching for something, the result comes up, and you notice that there's errors in this result. So all you basically have to do is go ahead, make it relevant, make it useful, fix it. And just by doing that, you're looking at about $12 an hour to fix this information. So if you see those information out there and it's misleading or it's incorrect, definitely reach out to these websites, and you just landed you a job fixing stuff that's on the internet that's inaccurate and making it accurate. So that is actually pretty awesome. Okay. And another job that I have here, because a lot of websites I notice now are actually shutting down their work from home or their remote work in locations. Why? Because of the pandemic that we have taken place with the coronavirus. Everybody, every single person right now is online, from the adult sex industry to something else. Everybody is online, and if you follow certain things, you'll see like people's prices have dropped ridiculously since this pandemic, just being online. So if you're into, criminal justice, if you're a Law and Order SVU fan, or, anything to do with the law, there is actually a website for e-juror. And you being an online juror, you basically you know, before the case goes to court, you are the person you're gonna sit in for pre-trial. So it goes in front of an actual judge. You know, if it goes through the actual judge, it goes through proceeding, and you being that the fact that you're a juror, you basically go ahead and you're gonna review the facts, and you're gonna answer questions, and you're gonna submit your verdict basically based on, you know, what you feel, if this person's innocent or if they're guilty. Now, that is crazy to me, the amount of things that we're able to do online at this point in time. Like 2020, we're winning, right? Now, for each verdict rendered, you're paid anywhere from $5 to $10, and that's dependent on the length of the case. You know, you're not going to get rich by doing this, but when you think about it, you know, if you're doing one case a week, it's not going to make much money, but I guess depending on how long the cases are, how short the cases are, that's an additional $5 to $10. So if you have nothing to do, or if you just want to go ahead and hop on an interesting case just to get some background info on it, definitely, I would say do that. So, you know, look into that, being an juror. And if you're into law, if you love law, if you just love that whole idea of it, if you know somebody that they really don't have much to do during the day, they're bored, direct them to that website. I'll also have the link to that in the description. Now, my last and final, well, not necessarily a job, but last and final offer that I think might, you know, might appeal to a lot of people is actually Bing. So Bing.com, as you know, is a Microsoft search engine. A lot of people might only use Google. I don't know if you've ever used it, but if what is it, up in your right hand corner of your screen, there's like a little number based on how much you search. It basically has a countdown. So I never knew what it was, but I had a ton of numbers one day, like i.e. yesterday. So I decided to finally click on the number, see what it is, and with that, guess what? I'm getting a $25 gift card. Now, how did I acquire this $25 gift card from Bing? Based on the simple fact of I am always signed into the browser. So every time I search or every time I look up something on the website, they're giving me points. I click on certain things on the website, they're giving me more points. And the crazy part about it is I really don't use Bing like that. Yeah, so that's super exciting. Just to know I got $25 from searching the web on God knows what, because I can't even think of when. It's crazy because I think I only used Bing when I had a job. So when I had a job and I would be in corporate America, I would always be on Bing because I think that's the first thing that pops up on the screen when you're working or something to that effect. That's the only reason why I'd ever be on Bing, right? But either way, check that out. You're able to make money. It's not a lot, but as you can see, you could turn into gift cards or whatever else that might suit your needs. And once again, guys, thank you so much for joining me. Please remember, none of these jobs are going to be a get rich, get money now. Like, you still have to put in the work. And as usual, the motto, have patience and, you know, just watch the fruits of your labor blossom over a period of time. So I'll check y'all later. Let me know if you have any comments, concerns, questions. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share this video with everyone, and I'll see y'all on the flip side. I'm out.